Hey, social media, it is your boy Walter Lundy with Regional IT Services. Professional technology assistance, computer repair, affordable domains, as well as a variety of technical products and services. Get over to our website, www.regionalitservices.com. We want to be your one-stop shop for all things IT. How y'all doing today? I got a good show for y'all today for all you business people looking to capitalize on those leads and make sure you don't miss any business or sales opportunity. And I implemented this today onto my website, and I'm already seeing results. How I automated my website with AI and how you can too. And this is what I want y'all to show. This is your podcast for all things IT. I'm just going to show y'all something. This just changed the game for me. You know, everybody in today's culture, we're trying to make things easier. And now we can do that with AI. Now we can automate more things. This is going to be your podcast. It's going to teach you about all things tech, business, and making your life easier with automation, AI, and all of that stuff. We're going to be gearing a lot of our support going forward using the AI model. If you don't know, that is going to be the wave of the future. Just using Google to simply search for and resolve your issues and locate the information you're looking for is going to be a thing of the past. AI is going to be the way that everybody does the searches, does business, freeing up your time and allowing you to do other things. A lot of people think AI are going to take their jobs, but what AI is going to do is going to make your job easier. And for those who master AI, will be in big demand. But let me tell you about this new autopilot that I implemented. The best part about these new systems is they can work for you and your business at any time, 24/7 when you're sleeping. And at the end of this episode, you know exactly how it works, how you can set it up, and how you can get it implemented for yourself. And I'm not just talking, I'm going to do a live demo right here, show y'all how I implement it on our website. So get over to our website, www.regionalitservices.com. And if you see here on our website, right here, can you see? This is where we have the new automated chatbot. If you look right there, minimize that a little bit so y'all can see me. All right. But if you look, right here is where that chatbot has been implemented into the website. So now if you got questions and you can't get a hold of me, you can ask these questions right here on the website. And I want to show you the back end dashboard that I use. Can you see that? That's the back end dashboard that I use. And so from here on this back end dashboard, this allows me to see where my visitors coming from and actually be able to answer them in real time. So I can set this up as well as set my agents up with this same application, as well as put the app on their phone so that my agents can answer in real time, as well as the AI system being able to answer and convert those leads. That AI system over time, it builds a profile based on the answers that it's seen me and my techs give over the course of time, providing support to customers. It takes that and it builds that information. It learns, it gets smarter, it organizes that information to better be able to serve your customers. So say you get a particular question from your customers on a regular basis. After your customers go to your website, they have a particular issue or question about your products or service. They type it in right here. You answer that in real time. So you answer it, you'll get an alert, which let me show you that. Let me show you guys the app real quick. Let me pull up this app on my phone. All right, now give me 1 second. And I have an iPhone and an Android. A lot of people ask me which do I prefer. As a tech, it really doesn't matter because my job is just to support the end user. So just depending on whatever my end user uses, so I can turn my mic down a little bit. Is that better? Seemed like the gain was real high on the mic, but whatever my end user uses, that's what I go with. So if they like Mac, then I use Mac. If they like Apple, or if they like Android, then I use Android. So it's all about my customers at the end of the day. It really doesn't matter what I want or what I want to support. But see right here, I'll get in real time. I don't know if y'all can see that. Probably not. But I'll get real time chats when people go to the website in order to ask questions. Now, I can set the shifts for when I'm available and when I'm not available. I can set on my phone when I'm available and when I'm not available. But over time, the AI seen me and my agents answering questions, and it builds a profile off of those answers and questions, as well as build a knowledge base based on solutions that I train into the chatbot. So, for example, one of the problems that people run into on my site a lot of times is when they're trying to check out. They'll go to try to check out a product or service. Let's say you want to do WordPress hosting. Let's go here. And while you pick out the WordPress product that you want, let's say the product that most people go with most often is our WordPress Basic or our WordPress Deluxe. Usually I kind of steer them towards the Deluxe because it has a few more features, a little bit more than they need, but a little bit more than the basic service provide. So we're going to go add this to cart. I'm going to show you. And this is one of the problems that a lot of my users run into sometimes when they get ready to try to check out their cart. And a lot of times it's normally due to their cookies or cache is backing up because due to security reasons, I have to keep the security crank real high on my website, make sure no one hacks my site. So a lot of times it's real sensitive when it comes to checking out and putting cookies, loading cookies and everything. That's, if you see now my site's running slow now, I probably need to clear my browser cache. But this is one of the things I'm able to add. Actually it went through this time. But this is one of the things I'm able to add into the chatbot. So if you can't check out, all you have to do is just open the page up and try to check out in the private browser window or clear your cache and cookies, and that normally allows the customer to check out. Now, if the customer's having that problem, they say, "Hey, I can't check out. Hey, I'm having an issue checking out, and I can't pay for my products and services." They can go here and ask me about that. "Hey, I'm having an issue checking out. I can't get my products and services." As y'all can see, y'all hear that? I get a ring real time with my customer. Sorry. And I can actually join that chat. And now I can actually talk to my customer in real time. I also get the same alert on my phone. Y'all can see that. But I also get an alert on my phone as well to let me know that a customer's reaching out to me via the website. This allows me to answer their question in real time and help catch those leads that I may miss due to having some technical difficulties. Once I respond to the chat with an answer, it files that away, and so forth and so on. Then over time, it can start to answer those questions without me. So it also takes the information that it gets from my other agents. I have other agents, they have the same app on their phone. They have the same back-end dashboard that they use as well. it allows them, and also there's other things you can do. It also allows you, I'm not going to get into all the features, but it allows you to add those customers to the contact, add their email, their phone number, where they're coming from, their organization, and allows you to follow up. How did they use your page? And then it gives you the opportunity to build your knowledge base. So that is where your meat and potatoes of using this program comes in, because now you have the knowledge base, which it takes all the solutions that you already have in existence. You can go ahead and dump those in there. You can also add to it and help it grow over time. So if you get a new solution, a new product or service, or you encounter a new issue that you haven't encountered before, you create a ticket from it, and then it files that ticket away, adds it to the knowledge base. Now the AI can use that as a cross-reference to be able to answer your customer's question in real time. Also take that customer information, convert them to an email, build a profile, and also reach out to that customer, schedule appointments. This way you don't ever have to worry about missing any leads. So this is what I wanted. This is what I really wanted to show. And this immediately pays for itself, because it allows you to monitor your website as well as integrate into your social media pages. So if someone reaches out to you on social media, it takes the same knowledge base, goes cross-platform, and it's able to convert those inquiries into leads and ultimately into sales. Now so I could talk about this all day, because there's so many features, so many benefits to your business that this can actually provide. This will actually, it's actually like having an assistant that works 24/7. And once you build it, you and your team starts to build it by responding to your customers and answering questions. It gets smarter and smarter. It takes your answers, it takes your knowledge base, and it builds from there. So if you're a real estate agent, never miss a lead from a potential home buyer, whether they reach out to you via your website, via your social media pages. Plumbers, electricians, HVAC, 24/7. Customers can book appointments whether you're there or not. E-commerce businesses, AI chatbots can help increase your sales and answer questions about your products. Restaurants and local businesses, it can take orders and reservations automatically. The bottom line, if you sell a service or a product online and you're not using AI to engage your customer, you're losing money. So you're probably thinking, all right. How do I get one of these set up for my business? Now, that's what I want to talk about. We are now offering this as one of our services that we provide. So I wanted to, of course, work out all the kinks within our own network first. I'm confident enough in the service that we're ready to go live. I feel like our support is ramped up. We've worked out all the bugs, which it seems to work pretty smooth. Implementation has been great for us, and growing the knowledge base is mainly what we've been doing before we actually went live with it, was to help grow the knowledge base so that it can answer a lot of the questions. And now this is what you're going to get. You're going to get a fully customized chatbot that fits your business and your business needs. Your website and social media integration, it works on your Facebook, your Instagram. Lead captures automations, collects names, phone numbers, and emails automatically. 24/7 operation. Never miss a sale again. And here's the best part. Oh, I missed that call. Coming back. And here's the best part. Never miss a sale again. And I'm going to set this up for businesses right now. We're going to run a special. We're doing a $2.99 one-time setup fee, and you're good to go. If you want us to manage it for you, then we got monthly packages, and we can discuss those as well. But I'm only taking a few businesses right now, So if you want in, hit me up. Get over to our website, regionalitservices.com. Message me today. Hey, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Hello.
Hey, are you watching me on live? I'm just
That's why I'm asking you. It's not counts. That's why I'm asking you.
oh yeah, I'm just showing our new services off. So y'all, but anyways, y'all get over to our website, www.regionalitservices.com. Message me today. Let's automate your business. All right, that's going to be a wrap. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you found this useful, share it with a business owner who needs to hear this. If not, I'll see you next time. Make sure you follow us on social media. Most of all, use and recommend our products and services.
See, these are more than 30 to 40 groups I posted.
Did you hear it?